Hello friends and Assalamualaikum. Welcome to my channel. I'm your designing developer. My name is Chalve. I'm a full stack developer and graphic designer. Today I will show you how to build one Google images in Java. And I hope you'll be also enjoying this video. Also like you enjoy previous all the videos of Java and all the work which I have done in Java till here. And I hope you are enjoying Java series like we have just enjoyed our design one Python series, and I hope you enjoy and love that series. So today we'll be covering up a project which name is Google Images, and I will be showing you how to make it front page, and I hope you enjoy this video. So if you enjoy and learn first thing of my channel, so please hit a like to this video, and if you are new on the channel watching the first video, please subscribe on my channel and also share the video with your friends if it is helpful for you, so they can also learn these programming languages, tricks and tips, so it will be helpful for them also in their future life. So just now we will be starting with our project. So just like I'm telling you, we will be building Google images in Java, which will be really helpful for you. But before starting the project, I want to show you like what thing we'll be just making. I want to show you the demo, and then I will be just covering up in the in the end how we have just created that. So just I'll be opening my Google Chrome here. So just open that, my friends, in Google Chrome. So here you can see Google Images has been just appeared here. You can see here it is the name Google Images and the logo of that here. And in the center you can see Google logo is here, and underneath there it is written small images. After that we are getting the search box, which is just looking really good, and we are also getting search by image. You can also search by voice, and you can also search by text. And here you can see you will be getting your Google Apps, and you will be getting your Gmail icon, like from which account you have signed in your Google Images. And then you will be also getting the footer section. You can say we will be getting advertising, business, about, how search works, and then at the right side we'll be also getting privacy terms and settings of that. You can see that all things. So these are really important things which we have to know about, but before that we'll be only making the front page, so we will be starting with to make that. So just for making that, you have to open your VS Code. You can say Visual Studio Code, it's a short form of that. So here I'll be writing VS Code, and I'll be just pressing simply enter. So when you've done that, it will be take some time to just open. You can also install it from Google, but just you have to write here like VS Code, then you can just install it. It's really easy to install, not a big deal to just do that. You can see we are getting all the things here. So just I'll be closing this and making a new window and closing this window. So by making a new window, you have to save a file with the name of Java. So just you can give any of the name, but in the end .js is really important in Java. So here I will be writing import.js. So right here, and then you have to save it in local disk. Anywhere you have to save, you can do that. I will be saving in local disk C. You can see it as save. And here I will be starting code, but I will be zooming so you can just also see my codes which I am writing here. So now we will be first of all covering with our div tag, which will be our class name. So it helps us to just create many tags which we will be writing in that here. So I will be writing here terminal, and I will be closing this. Here I will be writing and giving the class name of like help. And when you've done that, just I will be not giving anything because it is a tag where we don't have to write anything. Here write like navbar navigation equals to help. So here you have to write now. Then I will be just making this tag here again. Then write here selection dot navbar dot navigation. Close this tag now. Now when you've done with that, just you have to move down, right here app audio equals to, then you have to write here navbar. Just close this and write here audio dot app dot location. Just you have to close now. So just take care about like where you have to open the tag and where you have to close the tag. Okay. So just I'll be moving down again here, and then simply I will be writing a tag which will be like array buffer. Then just write equals to now and make this you can say this column I'll be making here, and here in this column I'll be writing class. Close here and make this curly bracket in which I will be writing here buffer dot class dot array. Then I will be closing this curly bracket here, moving down again, and here I will be writing a tag which will be like abort controller equals to, right here a tag which will be like import. Then you have to close this tag and make a curly bracket in which I will be writing import dot controller, then right here dot abort. Then you have to close this tag here. Now just I will be moving at the end of this tag and moving down again. Here I will be writing a tag which will be like signal. So right here. Then you have to just do one thing like external you have to write here, and in that you have to write internal. So just you can do also one thing like you can write at the starting internal, then after that you can write external. and then underneath you can write first of all internal, then you can write external or external or internal. It's your choice how do you write here, but I am first of all writing external, then I'll be writing internal here. So just when you're done with that all things here, I will be writing a tag which will be like div dot signal. Okay, so write dot not comma, I written comma by mistake. Okay, so it is good now. Then I'll be writing external. So just I'll be closing this tag here. You can see we have done with that. Now just I'll be moving down here now. Here I will be writing a tag which will be like abstract, and then you have to do one thing here like div equals to app. Now when you done that here, you have to close this and make another tag which will be just like here run dot, and then you have to write selection and write here dot added. Just when you've done that, close this tag here and just save this file from here simply. Then you have to move down again and here write a tag which should be just like here range now. So write here range error, and then write here a tag which will be like internal, but we have written, so I'll be writing external. So here I will be now doing one thing like range dot external dot, and here I'll be writing error. Just I'll be closing this tag from here. Then after it I'll be making a tag which should be name as navigation. After it I'll be just writing a tag which should be like here export. Okay, export equals to import, but we have written, so I'll be writing export here. When you've done that here, I'll be writing export dot navigation. Okay, so right here this thing navigation dot range, not range, I'll be writing nav now. Just close this here, and you can see we have just done with that now. Then I'll be moving down again here. Simply I'll be writing a tag which will be like buffer, then right here array equals to, and right here app, but we have written that, so simply I'll be writing div. Just close now, make this bracket here, and I'll be writing here buffer dot, so spelling is incorrect for navigation. Now they do. So when you've written that buffer dot, now after that you have to just write a tag which will be like class name. Okay. So right there. Now close this tag here, and when you've done that, just move down and save this file with the same name, and you can see we have just done with that all. Now when you've done with that, here you have to write like VS Code, which is a short form here, and then I will be just writing make equals to print, because I want to print my things which we have just made. Right here Google dot images, and then I will be writing front page. Just close this tag, save this file here, and now it is done. So if I just show you in the Google Chrome, so your project should be just ready of Google images which we are just making here. Just simply I'll be opening my Google Chrome here. You can see how beautifully our Google images project is just ready. We are getting all the things here like the Google images at the top, at the left side you can see with the logo of Google. Then we are just getting this reload button, and then the back button here we are just getting the logo of Google and images small written here. Then we are getting the search box in which we are just getting the search by image, search by voice, or you can search by text input here. And here we are also getting like Google Apps, you can see that, which is just written here. You can also search about Google App what we are getting. Then you can just sign in with your own account or any other account if you want to just do. So underneath we are getting our footer section also, like the server which we are using in Google Images. Then you will be getting your things like advertising, business, about how search works, privacy terms, settings. These are footer things you can check. So by pressing that, okay, but it will be not good because only we have just made the front page of that. So I hope you understand this video, and I hope you also enjoy this video, and I hope you enjoy how to build Google Images. So just like that, you have to just enjoy my videos and learn more than enough things from that. So it will be just give motivation to me, so I can make these all things again and again. And also if you are just liking this video, so please hit a like to the video. If you are new on the channel, not subscribed yet, so please subscribe to my channel, and after that also hit the notification bell, from which you will be getting all the notifications of my video when I will be just uploading. So also share the video with your friends if they are also just enjoying that, so they can also learn these programming tips and tricks, and they can also be just full stack developer of any language they can learn, and it will be really helpful for them also in future, so they can learn for a good job. So just these are the things which will be coming up in many of the projects will be coming, and I'll be uploading videos daily of Java, which will be really helpful for you. So just I'll be meeting in next project. So for today, goodbye.